Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central. We're in Taipei, and we're taking a look at what ASUS has to announce. It is the laptop of tomorrow, at least that's what they're calling it. It's actually called the ZenBook Pro Duo, and it's a dual screen-ish laptop. I'll show you what I mean. Stay tuned. All right, here it is, the ZenBook Pro Duo. It's called that way because it has two displays on it. And I say two-ish because this is a full physical keyboard, so you don't have to worry about using a digital one. And you do have the trackpad over here as well. Sorry if you're left-handed, you're going to be left out. This trackpad also displays the numeric keyboard if you want to use that. Otherwise, you could turn it off, but it's a full precision touchpad. Looking at the display here, 15.6-inch OLED display. That is a 4K resolution. It is touch as well, has very good color accuracy. It's just a really beautiful display. Below that, though, is where things get interesting. This is another 4K display, so it actually matches the resolution perfectly. Edge to edge, perfectly matched, but it's only half the size. This is also touch though, so you could scroll around, and this supports inking as well. That means, yes, you could draw on this directly. You can even watch me play piano on this. Not very well, of course. But the way ASUS is positioning this as well, you can do all sorts of neat stuff. You can watch TV or movie down here while working, or you can keep Skype open, you can do Spotify, you can use multiple apps, and yes, you can stack 3 apps next to each other so you get full productivity abilities with this. They see this also for gamers. You can keep the game you're playing up on here, while you have something like Discord down here, or Mixer, whatever you're using can just be on all the time here, so it's perfect for streamers as well. When it comes to power and performance, you're getting the full bells and whistles here, Core i9 processor, or up to, I should say. You're also going to get an RTX 2060 GPU, so you are able to fully game on this, use this for video production. You can put your tools here. There's all sorts of neat things you can do. The design is also pretty interesting. It's this sort of green-black that they're going for. Really nice polished design, pretty good quality. It's not a light laptop, but it's also not super heavy either. I imagine there's a large battery in here. Coming to the ports, on the left-hand side, you can see you have a barrel charger here, as well as HDMI and USB-A, and you got some venting here as well. Look at the right-hand side, you have your headphone jack, USB Type-C, a couple of LEDs, and another USB Type-A. All right, so you may be wondering, how good can this actually be? Surprisingly, it's not too bad. And I say that because we've all been using it here. We're all coming away pretty surprised about how useful it is and kind of how smart ASUS has been with the tools. For instance, dragging the windows and resizing them, it all works pretty well, and it gives you a ton of options. There's also a lot of configurability here. They didn't just throw in a second screen, but you added all sorts of controls and customizations, and to be honest, it's pretty useful. I could see myself taking notes, for instance, while watching a video. So there are a lot of practical uses for this, whether you create videos, if you're video gaming, or you're just a student. And if you think this is too big and heavy, well, that's okay. There's gonna be a smaller 14-inch version as well. That's a 12.6-inch screen that goes across, so you can save a little bit money there. That one is not gonna be nearly as powerful, but it is smaller, lighter, maybe more useful for you. Overall though, I gotta admit, I went into this thinking total gimmick. I'm actually kind of convinced there's something here. Maybe not this exact version, but kind of neat ideas. It's nice to see. All right, so there's a quick look at the ZenBook Pro Duo, the laptop of tomorrow. Or is it? Leave me a comment below, tell me what you think. If you want more information about this device, go to the description below. We'll have all the links there. Otherwise, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.